Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today's Fold With Me episode 4. So we're gonna keep them going, and we're just gonna be talking about jobs we did last week, give you guys some insight, what's going on. But yeah, let's get to it. So Kirkland towels, HDX towels, and then we have Sam's Club towels. And we got a bunch more, but let's get into the video. So, I believe on the last one we talked about, I was working on the Z06 paint protection film. We got that one done, the whole car is done. Did the window tint with that vehicle. We also had a Pantera come in. That was pretty cool. Check out the Instagram if you want to see some pictures about the Pantera. Life-changing Pantera, let me tell you. And then after that, we had a GT350 CR Mustangs. That was pretty cool. Both cars did PPF and window tint. Came out really good. Customer really happy. Really liked the cars a lot. And right here we have a 2016 Lexus GSF. We did the window tint, Solar Guard 28%. And then we also did partial hood PPF, SunTech, front bumper PPF, and the rocker panels all the way through PPF. And then we put on ceramic coating, 5-year coating, 9H, over the whole vehicle and the PPF. We also buffed out the door jambs and coated the door jambs as well, and we coated the wheels too. So, and then we also did, what did we do a couple days ago? We did a C250 Sport Mercedes. We did the clear bra PPF over the front bumper, partial hood. And we did the window tint, so it had a bunch of windows. So we did it's a 2-door coupe, but the sunroof is 2 because it's a moonroof. So we did 5% on the sunroof, 5% on the back windows. And then we also did 25% on the 2 doors. So the driver door and passenger door, did 25 ceramic film Solar Guard. And then we did 70% on the windshield. The car came out really good. Like I said, guys, all the pictures are in our Instagram account at M2M Detail. You can see all the pictures in there. The account is private, so you will have to follow the account to see the pictures. We just keep it private due to our customers' privacy, so people don't know what cars are in the shop. And we release all cars after the job's done, the car's gone. So try to keep that low key. And let's see what else we got going on. Did the GT350. So on another note, COVID-19, it hasn't affected us too bad on like, our jobs. We're not getting small jobs anymore. So yeah, I mean, we don't even do car washes or anything like that right now due to it. And only thing we're doing is drop off vehicles only. So when a vehicle gets dropped off, we steam the interior, sanitize everything, and then we bring the car into the shop. And then we keep the cars for about 2 to 5 days, depending on what type of jobs they are. So we try to stay safe. Next week we will be closing down for about 2 weeks. Just gonna close down the shop. But if you guys are looking for any like PPF and stuff, like bigger jobs, we'll be able to take those on. But as of right now, we will be closed the following 2 weeks. So you might not see that much content. I'll try to keep the YouTube videos going for you guys, so you have something to watch while you're home. I might do some videos at the house. So let me know if you guys want some of that. I'm gonna be installing a fan in the bedroom that doesn't have no wires to it, so there's no outlet for a fan in the master bedroom, but we're gonna come up with something to make it work out. Also, I think we're gonna be taking apart our mobile trailer. So I don't know if you guys checked out those videos on the trailer under $2,500 for mobile detailing. I'll probably be redoing the whole trailer, getting new plywood, putting a diamond mat over on top of it so no water corrosion, and just clean it all up. So probably be posting a video about that next week or so. Other than that though, guys, not much going on. Everything's pretty quiet. So let's talk about some tools. All right. So best tool of the week. For PPF, I really enjoyed the little squeegee from 3M. Let me grab it for you so you guys can see it. All right, guys, so it looks like this. And then they have a real small one too. It works really good to get in like small crevices or like an indent. You're able to squeegee out the air and the water in one pass. And then the Fusion Turbo, my baby. Pretty sure I told you guys about that one already, but that thing's a beast. Oh, we also, and then we'll talk about another car we did. We did a 2015 RAV4. You guys hopefully saw the YouTube video on it. We removed the clear bra. So, and then we reinstalled the new clear bra on it. So it looks all brand new again. And we did a 2-step correction on the paint. Sealed it off with 205 McGuire's. You guys check out that on Instagram if you guys want to see the befores and after. And it was pretty crazy. So I don't know if you watched the video, you guys will see all the damage on the front bumper. And the PPF looked like it got beat up. Like, I don't know if it was gonna protect the paint. So it did though. So everything came out really good, but that was a cool little test on the PPF and how it handled all that impact, and the paint behind it didn't even get damaged. So that was really cool. So if you guys need to check that out, I'll put a link to that video at the end of the video. Really solid clear bra right there, did its work. And that's about it. We're kind of rearranged the shop because we've been a little bit slower. So you guys probably saw that video on the mobile window tint board. If not, you guys can check that out. And I took it apart and I put my glass back up on the wall. It just got in the way a little bit every now and then and just kind of looked cluttered. So I wanted to look cleaner. So I took it apart, put the glass up on the wall. I'll show you guys a quick view of that. Let me fold this towel and I'll move you guys over there. You guys can check it out. Whoop. So you can see we got our glass over there now. That's PPF 60-inch above it. And then we also have our big 84-inch mirror on that far side. Clearshow Pro Solar Guard. We have been using SunTech a lot more now though. So might have to get a SunTech banner in there. And let's see what else we got. 3M offers this cool thing. It's a 5-year package on their 10-year warranty on their film. After 5 years, you bring the cars back. If you have like chips or anything or some piece ripped off, they replace it for free. So that was pretty cool. I didn't know they did that. Just found that out. All right, guys, this is Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like and subscribe.